What if I don't know who the welcome message is from?
Hey there! Have you ever received a welcome message and wondered who it came from? That's what we're discussing today. Welcome messages can come from various sources: online platforms, professional groups, online courses, and so on. Identifying the source can sometimes be tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered.
Why is it important to identify the source?
First off, understanding who sent the welcome message is crucial for multiple reasons. Security is the first. With the rise of phishing and spam messages, knowing the sender can help protect your personal information. Secondly, context. Knowing who the message is from can provide insight into its relevance, helping you decide whether it's something worth your attention or not.
How to identify the sender?
Now that we've established why it's important, let's look at how you can identify the source of a welcome message. Subsection 2.1. Check the email address or platform. Firstly, check the email address or platform from which the message was sent. If it's an email, the sender's address is usually located at the top. For platforms, the sender or organization's name is often displayed prominently. Subsection 2.2. Look for clues in the message. The message itself may contain clues. It could mention the name of the organization, the platform, or the service. Look for any identifying names, logos, or links, but remember not to click any suspicious ones. Subsection 2.3. Do a quick search if you're still unsure. Take any names or identifying information you found and do a quick internet search. This can help you validate the source.
What if I still don't know?
If you've tried all these steps and still can't identify the source, it's best to treat the message with caution. Don't click on any links or download any files. If the message asks for personal information, do not provide it. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. So that's our guide on how to identify the source of a welcome message. We hope this helps you in deciphering any messages you receive in the future. Stay safe, and remember, always ensure you know who your messages are coming from. Until next time.